I can't believe it's already been 3 years. Thank you so much to all of our clients that have trusted us over all this time. And thank you so much to the auto repair industry in and of itself. We're grateful to be a part of it and to be able to support all of you. So again, thank you for this journey and looking forward to many years more.
Happy third anniversary.
Happy third anniversary.
Happy third anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy third 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 year anniversary to Lift Auto Repair Marketing.